Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station. Forward leads to the Town Square Station. Left leads to the Boulder Cliff. We're almost at the Town Square. Left leads to the Town Square Station. Right leads to the Haunted Castle. Forward leads to the tunnel. Left leads to the Haunted Castle. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts. The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto the spot on the bridge. Super duper. Well done. That's perfect. I'm always happy to help. Where to now? Left leads to the water slide. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads to the Pin Farm. Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Forward leads to the Town Square. We're almost at the Town Square. Left leads to the Town Square Station. Which way do you want to go? Look, the tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts. The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Well done. That was off the rail. Lights out. Choose your engine. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Wait. Yeah. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. That's the way. Super duper. We all love your drinking. Uh-huh.